Top 8 berries for diabetics. Think all fruits are off limits for diabetics? Not true. There's one group of fruits that can actually help you manage your blood sugar and satisfy your sweet tooth. Today, I'm sharing the top 8 berries every diabetic needs to know about. If you're dealing with diabetes, choosing the right foods can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to fruits. But berries? They're a game changer. Packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, berries can help control blood sugar without spiking it. So stick around because in this video we'll dive into the 8 best berries for diabetics, why they're good for you, how they work, and simple ways to enjoy them every day. Number 1. Strawberries. Did you know that strawberries can be a game changer for diabetics? Not only are they sweet and delicious, but they also come packed with incredible benefits that can help you manage your blood sugar naturally. Thanks to their low glycemic index of just 41, these little red berries release sugar slowly into the bloodstream, keeping your glucose levels stable throughout the day. Plus, they're high in fiber, which means fewer cravings for sugary snacks. Strawberries are also loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants like ellagic acid, and anthocyanins, all of which help reduce inflammation and protect your heart, a critical factor for anyone managing diabetes. The best part? They're low in calories, making them a guilt-free snack that satisfies your sweet tooth without the sugar rush. So, how can you easily incorporate strawberries into your daily meals? It's simpler than you think. Start by adding a handful of sliced strawberries to your morning Greek yogurt or oatmeal. It's a perfect way to enjoy a sugar-free sweet kick to your day. For lunch, throw them into a spinach salad with some walnuts and avocado to boost fiber and healthy fats. Need an afternoon pick-me-up? Combine strawberries with almonds for a satisfying, energy-boosting snack. Craving something sweet? Skip the sugar-packed desserts and enjoy fresh strawberries topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dollop of sugar-free whipped cream. It's refreshing, delicious, and diabetic-friendly. Even better, strawberries pair wonderfully with other berries like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Toss them together in a smoothie, create a simple berry snack bowl, or make a sugar-free berry compote for pancakes. This berry blend not only satisfies your sweet cravings, but also gives you a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber to keep you full and energized. Longer strawberries are more than just a tasty fruit. They're an easy, natural way to regulate blood sugar, curb cravings, and boost energy without the dreaded sugar crashes. Next time you need a sweet snack, reach for some fresh strawberries. They're as good for your health as they are for your taste buds. Trust me, once you add these vibrant red gems to your meals, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Stay tuned for more tips on other powerful fruits that can transform your diabetic diet. Number 2. Grapes. Did you know that grapes could be one of your best allies in managing blood sugar? These small, sweet fruits, especially the red and purple varieties, are packed with resveratrol, a potent antioxidant known for improving insulin sensitivity. This means your body can process glucose more effectively, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. What's more, resveratrol doesn't just help regulate blood sugar. It also fights inflammation and supports heart health, both essential for anyone living with diabetes. But how can you easily add grapes to your daily diet? It's simple. Start your morning with a delicious smoothie by tossing in a handful of fresh grapes. You'll enjoy a natural sweetness without any added sugars. For a nutritious and tasty lunch, throw some grapes into your salad for a burst of flavor and texture. Need a quick snack? Grab a handful of grapes and pair them with a few nuts for a satisfying, energy-boosting combo that'll keep you going through the day. And if you're craving something sweet, freeze grapes for a cool, refreshing treat that feels like dessert but is packed with health benefits. Did you know there's a small yet powerful fruit that can help you naturally manage your blood sugar? It's fresh grapes. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants that protect your body from oxidative stress and support heart health. What's more, the natural fiber and beneficial compounds in grapes improve insulin response and help prevent sudden blood sugar spikes. Try snacking on a handful of fresh grapes in the afternoon, or pair them with a few almonds for a balanced snack that keeps your energy steady while helping you manage your blood sugar. Instead of reaching for processed snacks loaded with sugar and empty calories, make fresh grapes your smart and healthy go-to choice. And stay tuned. Coming up next, I'll reveal another superstar fruit with incredible health benefits and powerful blood sugar support. Number 3, cherries. Cherries, small, sweet, and packed with benefits, might just be the perfect snack for diabetics. Why? Because despite their natural sweetness, cherries have a moderate glycemic index, GI, of 63, meaning they won't cause a sharp spike in your blood sugar. But there's more to this juicy fruit than meets the eye. The fiber in cherries, especially from their skin, helps slow down sugar absorption, making them a smart choice for stabilizing blood sugar levels and curbing cravings. What makes cherries truly special for diabetics? For starters, they are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a common concern for people with diabetes, and cherries can play an important role in minimizing it. Additionally, cherries are rich in vitamins A and C, essential for immune function, skin health, and overall well-being. But how can you incorporate cherries into your daily routine? It's easier than you think. Start your day with a smoothie by adding a handful of cherries. You'll get a burst of natural sweetness and a healthy energy boost without the added sugars. For a savory twist, toss them in a salad with leafy greens, nuts, and a light dressing. Cherries also make for a refreshing snack on their own. Need something special? Freeze them and blend them into a homemade sorbet for a cool, diabetes-friendly dessert. Pair cherries with other low GI fruits like blueberries or strawberries for a delicious mixed berry bowl. Not only will you satisfy your sweet tooth, but you'll also get an extra dose of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins to keep your blood sugar stable and your energy levels high. Incorporating cherries into your daily diet doesn't just satisfy your craving for something sweet, it's a natural way to help manage blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and boost overall health. So next time you're craving a snack, reach for a handful of cherries. They're more than just a treat. They're a powerhouse for your health. Stay tuned. Next, we'll explore another incredible berry that's just as beneficial for managing diabetes. Number 4, raspberries. Raspberries are more than just a tasty treat. They're a true ally for diabetics. You might not realize it, but this little fruit holds the secret to better blood sugar control. How? It's all about a hormone called adiponectin. When you eat raspberries, they stimulate the production of adiponectin, which helps your body respond better to insulin. This means fewer blood sugar spikes after meals, making them an ideal snack for anyone managing diabetes. But the benefits don't stop there. Raspberries are also great for your liver. If you have liver damage or are worried about your liver health, this fruit is a natural remedy. The antioxidants and compounds in raspberries help repair liver tissue, promoting better liver function. Since the liver plays a huge role in regulating blood sugar, keeping it healthy is crucial for anyone with diabetes. What makes raspberries even more special is their rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants fight off inflammation, which is a major concern for diabetics. By reducing inflammation, raspberries can help protect against complications like heart disease, which is more common in those with diabetes. And let's not forget their high fiber content, which helps regulate digestion and keeps your blood sugar levels steady. Wondering how to add raspberries to your daily routine? It's easier than you think. You can toss them into smoothies, mix them with yogurt, or sprinkle them over your oatmeal for breakfast. Want to make a salad extra special? Add raspberries for a burst of sweetness without the added sugar. For a refreshing treat, freeze them and blend them into a sugar-free sorbet. Perfect for those warm days. To maximize the health benefits, try pairing raspberries with other low GI fruits like blackberries or blueberries. Together, they create a powerhouse of nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber that will keep your blood sugar in check and boost your overall health. Incorporating raspberries into your diet is a simple and delicious way to support your blood sugar control and liver health. So next time you're craving a snack, reach for some raspberries. They're not only delicious, but also a great way to help manage your diabetes. Stay tuned for more health tips and berry secrets to keep you feeling your best. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing diabetes and living healthier. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you and help out. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are a game changer for diabetics, and here's why. These small berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, two powerful components that can make a big difference in managing diabetes. Let's start with the antioxidants. Blueberries are rich in compounds that help fight inflammation, a major concern for diabetics. Chronic inflammation can lead to complications like heart disease, which is more common in people with diabetes. By adding blueberries to your diet, you're helping your body reduce inflammation and protect against these risks, giving you one more reason to love this superfood. But that's not all. Blueberries are also a great source of fiber, which plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. Fiber helps slow down the absorption of glucose, meaning when you eat blueberries, your blood sugar rises more gradually. This steady rise is key to managing blood sugar levels and preventing those sharp spikes that can occur after eating other foods. For diabetics, this is a game changer in controlling blood sugar and keeping it within a healthy range. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I easily add blueberries to my daily routine? It's easier than you think. Toss a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries into your morning oatmeal or smoothie for a sweet and nutritious boost. You can also add them to salads for a touch of sweetness without the added sugar, or snack on them throughout the day. Craving a dessert? Try blending blueberries into a sugar-free sorbet for a refreshing, guilt-free treat. For even more benefits, combine blueberries with other low GI fruits like blackberries or strawberries. This nutrient-packed combo not only helps regulate your blood sugar, but also adds variety to your diet with a delicious mix of flavors. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and provide essential nutrients to your body. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, don't hesitate. Grab some blueberries. They're not only delicious, but also one of the best choices for managing diabetes. Stay tuned for more tips on how to keep your blood sugar in check while enjoying tasty, healthy foods. Number 6. Plums. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up sweet, juicy fruits. One surprising fruit that's not only delicious but also blood sugar friendly is plums. You might think plums could spike your blood sugar because they have about 16 grams of natural sugar per serving. But the truth is, they're a low glycemic index fruit. This means they don't cause the blood sugar spikes you get from processed sweets. Instead, their natural fiber slows digestion, keeping your sugar levels steady and helping you feel full longer. But plums offer even more benefits. They're rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and flush out sodium, reducing the risk of heart complications, especially important for diabetics. They also pack antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols, which reduce inflammation and help protect against long-term complications like nerve damage and kidney issues. So, how can you add plums to your diet? It's simple, tasty, and versatile. You can eat them fresh as a snack. No prep needed. Slice them into oatmeal or yogurt for a fiber-filled breakfast that keeps you energized. Want a more exciting option? Toss plum slices into a spinach salad with walnuts and feta cheese for a sweet, savory combination. Or roast plums with cinnamon for a warm, guilt-free dessert. If you're a smoothie fan, blend a plum with spinach, half an avocado, and unsweetened almond milk for a creamy, nutrient-packed drink. At the end of the day, plums prove that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on sweetness. They're low GI, blood sugar friendly, and packed with nutrients. So next time you're craving something sweet, skip the sugary snacks and grab a plum. It's small, juicy, and packed with benefits for your health. Number 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health, a major concern for diabetics. Lycopene reduces oxidative stress and improves blood vessel function, lowering the risk of cardiovascular issues. Additionally, tomatoes are packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium, essential for maintaining health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is vital in managing diabetes complications. They're also low in carbohydrates and calories, making them ideal for controlling blood sugar without adding extra weight. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index, around 15, which means they release energy slowly, keeping blood sugar levels steady. Their high water and fiber content helps you feel full longer, making them a great addition to your diet. Tomatoes are versatile and easy to incorporate. Slice fresh tomatoes and drizzle with olive oil, sea salt, and pepper for a simple, healthy salad. For a heartier option, roast tomatoes with garlic and herbs, pairing them with grilled chicken, fish, or whole grain pasta. Tomato soup made with fresh tomatoes and basil with a touch of low-fat cream is another comforting, healthy option. Combine tomatoes with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil to enhance lycopene absorption. For a snack, try avocado toast topped with cherry tomatoes and chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. From breakfast to dinner, tomatoes can be added to any meal. Their sweet, tangy flavor makes them a versatile and healthy ingredient for a diabetes-friendly diet. With their numerous benefits, tomatoes are a top vegetable for diabetics, promoting heart health, stable blood sugar, and overall wellness. Number 8. Bananas might not be the first fruit that comes to mind for managing diabetes, but they offer surprising benefits that make them a great choice for your diet. Packed with fiber, potassium, and a low glycemic index, bananas help keep your blood sugar levels in check without causing sharp spikes. This means you can enjoy their natural sweetness while maintaining steady glucose levels, an essential factor for anyone managing diabetes. One of the key benefits of bananas is their high fiber content. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of sugars, preventing rapid increases in blood glucose. This makes bananas an ideal fruit for stabilizing blood sugar levels, which helps reduce the risk of complications like heart disease and kidney problems, common concerns for people with diabetes. Potassium, a mineral found abundantly in bananas, also plays a critical role in regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure is a frequent concern for diabetics, and bananas help by reducing sodium levels in the body. This not only supports heart health, but also helps maintain overall blood pressure balance, which is crucial in managing diabetes-related complications. Incorporating bananas into your daily diet is simple and delicious. Enjoy them as a quick snack or slice them into your favorite smoothie for an extra boost of energy. You can also add banana slices to oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal to start your day with a healthy, filling breakfast. For a fun twist, try making banana bread using whole grains and no added sugar. Perfect for a nutritious treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. Bananas are versatile, easy to include in meals, and packed with nutrients that benefit your health. Whether you enjoy them fresh, blended into smoothies, or baked into recipes, bananas are a sweet, diabetic-friendly option that helps maintain blood sugar stability, manage blood pressure, and lower the risk of complications. So the next time you need a snack or are looking to add fruit to your meal, grab a banana. It's a tasty, nutrient-packed fruit that supports your health and helps manage diabetes without compromising on flavor or sweetness. Adding these top 8 berries to your diet can have a profound impact on managing diabetes. From controlling blood sugar to boosting heart health and reducing inflammation, these fruits offer a variety of benefits that can help you live a healthier, more balanced life. Try incorporating some of these berries into your meals and see the difference they can make. Whether it's adding them to smoothies, salads, or just enjoying them as a snack, you'll be making a positive change for your blood sugar levels. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these berries before? Drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.